This is the closing of lesson 1. We talked about putting, we talked about grip, we talked about setup, we talked about posture, we talked about where our eyes should be over the golf ball. I gave you a couple drills and I demonstrated some ways to improve your distance and direction in putting and to improve your confidence. Like I said, the around the world drill helps build just the confidence to see the ball go in the hole and to hit putts from different directions around the hole. And the string drill or the cone drill is a distance drill that kind of gets you to not so much focus on the hole or the target, but just the distance it takes to get the ball to travel where you want it to go. So most importantly, setup, grip, posture, and then making sure that putter comes straight back and straight forward using your shoulders and your arms and the same distance back as through. That's the most important thing. So thanks a lot for lesson 1. That went really well. I hope everybody enjoyed it.
Thank you.
Okay, great. Thank you. Okay, gentlemen, we have reached the end of lesson 2. How's it going so far? Is it fun? We're hoping this can be fun and you can learn some and incorporate some of these things that we're doing in these lesson series into part of your game. So, to conclude with chipping and pitching, what we talked about today, we talked about ball position, we talked about where your weight needs to be, we talked about where your hands need to be on your club. We talked about the 2 different types of short game. They're chipping and pitching. So we talked about when to chip, when to pitch. We did some great drills. We did like a hula hoop drill that we did that incorporated our pitching. So we're trying to get the ball up in the air faster and it's going to land at a farther spot away and then release to our target. And then we did a different chipping drill where we did a competition and had a little fun when we chipped. To try to just get the ball on the ground as soon as we could and then have it release out. And I look forward to our next group lesson. We're going to be doing bunker play, so another short game aspect. And I look forward to getting together with you guys and going over that as well. So thanks very much.
Thanks.
Awesome. And we'll see you at the next one. Okay, gentlemen, great job today on lesson 3 of bunkers. We talked about the setup. We gave you some drills to work on in the bunker, and we talked about how to swing the golf club effectively to get the ball out of the bunker. A lot of people don't take enough sand when they swing. We talked about hitting 2 or 3 inches behind. Hopefully the drills that I gave you to work on, you'll work on those and practice those in between our lessons. And it's been a pleasure working with you in the sand, and we'll see you next time for full swing. Okay, great, thank you. Okay guys, this is the end of lesson 4. We talked about our full swing today. We gave you some practice drills to work on. We worked with TrackMan, the radar golf simulator, which is great. So we talked about the importance of what those numbers can do in our golf swing, what information they can provide you by whether it's smash factor or launch angle or ball speed. We talked a lot about those numbers. I've enjoyed doing these 4 lessons. It's been great. I had fun working with everybody individually, and I hope that you can take a little bit from what we did in each segment away in your own personal game, and whether that's a drill that we talked about or a practice thing that you want to work on in between. And hopefully they've been educational and they've been fun. I've enjoyed it. So James, thanks so much. Thank you. Thank you, Nick. It's been great. Thank you, Ryan. Thank you. Thank you.
All right. Thank you.
And I can't wait till it gets warmer and we can get out there and play some golf. So